लाता शाह और सरा तिलावत था कमीने मैं तिलावत के वास्ता वजह मुफ्ती साहब
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। जो अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना अमलाक भी all know today in this wonderful occasion I have a great speech to deliver which is about drugs addiction. Respected audience, mainly our initiate have spoken of 5 cardinal sins which must be avoided by all means through they may appear to bring profit or pleasure the time being. They are gambling, stealing, murdering, and taking drugs. The whole nation was brought to disgrace because of optimum. Respected teachers, why then does man take to drugs? Some think it adds to pleasure. Others think that it makes away physical awareness. Still others takes it to forget their worries. In cold countries, they take it to warm themselves. While in very small doses, drugs act as medicine. They can only bring harm in large doses. These drugs affect our nervous system, especially the brain, which controls the voluntary action. Respected judges, so a man under the influence of a drug is unable to walk properly. It deadens the senses, so a man under the influence does not. So a man under the influence doesn't know what he does or he speaks. Very often, in the influence of drugs, he can do shameful acts. Continued addiction upset the digestive system, especially the liver, leading eventually to death. It is against our religion sensation. It leads to immoral and evil activities. Drug is really unfortunate. They do not realize the harmful effect. Certainly, the drug will not and cannot aid the brain pleasure of one thinks in that way. It is only illusion. According to the great personality, he says that ना कर शिकवा मुकद्दर से नसीब अपना आजमाता जा ना कर शिकवा मुकद्दर से नसीब अपना आजमाता जा ना डर मंजिल की दूरी से कदम आगे बढ़ाता जा. Thanks to all of you for supportive silence.
Before everything, I welcome all of you guys being present here. Today, you all guys know that today is our Drug Addiction Day. In this beautiful moment, I want to deliver a speech, and which is about drug addiction. Drug addiction is the most horrifying evils of any society. It hampers the development of a country. In general, it destroys the future of the youth in particular. The drug addicts use drugs to cut themselves out of contact with others and to forget the realities of life. They want to run away from their responsibilities and escape from the difficulties and challenges of life. The commonly used drugs or narcotics are heroin, opium, cocaine, marijuana. It is a fact that the drug addicts lose their mental and physical balance. And if they take much of them, they push themselves to the death. Drug addicts cannot work regularly at any place and any capacity. They need money for drugs all the time, but they're not in the position to earn it honestly. Therefore, when they cannot earn enough to get more drugs, they sell their properties, cheat others, turn to stealing or start begging. They even join the gangs of thieves or criminals and become constant threat to people and burden on society. You must have seen the drug addicts begging in the streets on roads in a wretched condition. Quite often young people, grown frightfully, their sunken eyes, hollow cheeks, and torn clothes, are found extended their hand to passing vehicle for money for the puffs of powder-filled cigarettes. Sometimes these unfortunate people die on footpaths or as hospitals surrounded, unattended and unwept. Thank you for support.
Good morning, respected principal, dear teachers, and all my friends. Today is June 26th, World Drug Addiction Day.
I take this opportunity to say about drug addiction. Drug addiction has become a worldwide problem, especially in teenagers. Substances that are harmful to our bodies, they cause changes to person's behavior. Many people take drugs to feel happier and better about themselves. Drugs provide instant pleasure and stress relief. Many people start taking drugs as an escape from their painful reality. There are a number of reasons why youth and teenagers are addicted to drugs or relatable substances. Lack of self-confidence is considered as one of the primary cause of drug addiction. There are many effects of drug addiction on physical and mental health. Drug addiction is fatal. We must take steps to control drug tolerance. Behavior counseling is the most effective way to treat this disease. It is very important to have counseling with the user and motivate them to quit. It takes or our life. Their friends, only the family members and friends can do this. If you find your loved ones addicted, make a behavioral counseling and motivate them to quit it. Family members and friends can encourage them and can help them to get rid of drug addiction. Thank you, supposed
Is the creator, the maker, the designer who organized this universe with a Big Bang explosion and authorized to vanish it with an explosion of doomsday. I welcome you all aboard, including my dearest classmates, my friends, my eminent teacher, dear guests. I want to greet you with Islamic greeting, Assalamu alaikum. Today, in this occasion, to you, I am going to deliver the topic on drugs. जो कोई पीकर नहीं उसने इखलाक का, कोई इसको इंसान समझता नहीं जिसके दिल में किसी का लिहाज, किसी के दिल में भी वो बसता नहीं। मेरे साथियों, दुनिया में कोई भी मज़हब या कानून या उसकी माँ बाप, उसके घर वाले व उसके उस्ताज़ कराम सभी उसको अच्छा ही सिखाते हैं, इखलास का दर्स देते हैं, इखलाक का दर्स देते हैं, बुराइयों से दूर रहने का दर्स देते हैं, अच्छे काम करने का दर्स देते हैं। माशरा में बिगाड़ की सबसे बड़ी वजह यही मंशियात है, इसी से दूर रहने की दर्स देते हैं। और आखिर क्या हो सकता है कि मुआशरे में और सबसे ज़्यादा बिगाड़ कौन पैदा कर सकता है? सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, यही मंशियात। मेरे साथियों, ये वही लोग हैं जो पहले अच्छे कपड़ों में, अच्छी हालत में नजर आते थे, अच्छे ओहदों में थे, अच्छे काम करते थे, अपने घर को संभलते थे, लेकिन आज वही लोग भिखारियों जैसे हरकत करते हैं, वो खुद ही भिखारी बन गए हैं। तो इनकी हिफाजत करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, हमें इनको रोकना चाहिए। ऐसे कदम हम ही को उठाने चाहिए कि हम सभी इन चीज़ों से दूर रहें, दूसरों को बचाएं ऐसी बुराइयों से। आज यही बुराई जो जहर कातिल बन गया है, इसी से हम सबको दूर रहना चाहिए। यही मकसूद फितरत है, यही रमज़ मुसलमानी, अख़वत की जहांगीरी, मोहब्बत की फरादानी। इस बुराई की जिम्मेदार हम खुद ही हैं। हम ही ने माशरे में बिगाड़ पैदा किया, जहाँ मजलूमों पर जुल्म हो रहा है, जहाँ हकदारों की हक की तलफी हो रही है, नौजवानों से किताबों छीन रही है। तो हम और आखिरकार कह सकते हैं, और माशरे में मुतवाज़न माशरे की उम्मीदवार हैं। हम खुद ही ऐसे क्या हरकत कैसे करें? यहाँ सीधी सादी और अच्छे नस्ल के नौजवानों जिन्हें अपने मुस्तकबिल संवारना हो, हम ही इनको बुराई सिखाते हैं, हम ही उन्हें बिगाड़ के रास्ते में गामजन करते हैं। तो हम ही इसकी जिम्मेदार हैं। फितरत की हंसी से आह बनना अच्छा, अफ़आल की मदद से कुछ ना अच्छा। अकबर ने सुना है अहले गैरत से यही, जीना जिल्लत से हो तो मरना अच्छा. Till here I finished my
And dear other listeners, I greet you with Islamic greeting, Assalamu alaikum. Today you all know there is a function. I want to deliver a speech on drug addiction. Drug addiction is a chronic and debilitating disease that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by the compulsive desire to use drugs despite the harmful consequences they may have on one's life. The causes of drug addiction are complex and varied. Some individuals may turn to drugs as a way to cope with emotional and pain or trauma, while others may introduce to drugs through social environments or peer pressure. Prevention is also a crucial aspect of addressing drug addiction. Education and awareness campaigns can help to inform individuals about the dangers of drug use and provide them with the skills, resources needed to make healthy choices. At last, I want to say that drug addiction is a complex and multifaceted issue that affects individuals, families, and communities worldwide. Thanks for listening to me attentively.
I start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the King of the Kings, who is the Lord of Lords, who created me, you, and the whole universe. My respective teachers and their classmates, Assalamu alaikum. You all know today is our program day, and I am selected a topic which is about drug addiction. In my points of view, I want to say that drug addiction is the one of the most horrifying evil in any society. It embeds the development of country in general and destroy the future of the youth. In particular, the drug addiction use drugs to cut themselves out, contact with others, and to forget the reality of life. They want to run away from their responsibilities and escape from the difficulties and the challenges of life. Commonly, the drugs narration are aired on. It is the fact that the drugs addicts lost their mental and physical balance, and if they make much of them, they force themselves too deep. Drug addictions cannot be regularly at the place of any capacity. They need money from drugs all the time, but they are not in the position of earn it honestly. At last, I want to say one Urdu poetry. तुम नाराज से लगते हो कोई तरकीब बताओ मनाने की नसीब. तुम नाराज से लगते हो कोई तरकीब बताओ मनाने की नसीब. हम जिंदगी अमानत रख देंगे, आप कीमत बताओ मुस्कुराने की. From here I can finish my topic. Thanks for listening.